Hello, mamas and daddies, and welcome to another episode of Miss Stormy Rose Angel's hair page. Thank you for visiting again. Today I am going to show you how to do a quick and easy pony puff style that you can literally do in less than 30 minutes. So grab your comb and your brush and let's get into this head. Now you know I love working in a freshly shampooed and conditioned head. Once I finish washing her hair, I always go back in and add some more moisture to it just so that when we put it in any style, it gives you that bounce, that body, that vibrance, that moisture. So that is what I'm doing, and next I'm going to go right into parting the parts for her pony puffs. So for this style, we're going to do one big puff on the top, two on the back, and then the sides we are going to braid into the back puffs. The good thing about this style is that we're not pulling all of her hair all into one puff or two puffs or three puffs. We're splitting it into different sections so that her hair is not being pulled too tight or breaking off, or after a few days having all the frizz in the front. So this style is perfect, and it's a great way to section your baby's hair. It's super important to make sure your parts are straight. So even if you have to keep going over it again and again, that is okay. Your baby might be a little frustrated, but you know what? You have to make sure those parts are on point. Don't forget, we are going to brush her hair out with the brush with the bristles on it just to stretch her hair, and then we'll use the second brush to grasp all her edges. This really gives the puffs the volume in the body and makes it more stretched out than shriveled up after a wash. If your baby has short and curly hair or short hair, do not be discouraged. There are tons of different styles that you can do with your child that are super cute and super age appropriate. So don't look left, don't look right, look here. We have plenty of options to show, and there are plenty of styles that your baby can rock. Now, after a few days of her having this style in, I do sometimes like to refresh it. So I'll take out the ponies, spray it with water, give it a little brush, and then put it right back in the style. And it looks as if it's new. It also helps with all the flyaways and all the hair that kind of slid out the ponytail from her rolling around all week. So this is the perfect style, and it'll definitely give you a couple of days, maybe 3 to 5 days of wear before you're having to look for the next style. thank you so much for checking out another hairstyle from yours truly, Miss Stormy Rose Angel. If you like this style as well as this content, be sure to give us a comment, like, and subscribe, and check out our further videos of new styles coming to you soon. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and we hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.
Baby.